Yo, check this out. Yo, what's up? Hey, quick update. Not even a quick update. I ain't been hitting y'all like I should have been. First off, let me drop it on this. Life be lifing. And I'm trying to get this information to you. I'm really working on this every day. Okay? And anybody knows about business, you need to have aged stuff in order to get the real big bucks. You need to have aged, like an aged corporation, shelf corp. We're gonna get into all of that. That's some later that's some money moolah shit. But right now, we just starting a business. We just started our business. We followed the steps in the last video, started our business. Now, off to the most important thing, funding the business. How to get money so that this business can grow as fast as possible. Number one thing, y'all done heard before, I'm gonna sound like a broken record, it's credit. You gotta have your credit on point. If your credit ain't nothing, don't even worry about anything else except for getting your credit straight. You already got your business going, you got your bank account, that's gonna be fine. That's growing. You need to get your credit straight because they will drop thousands of dollars on you as with the personal guarantee. But when your business starts to bloom, after you get that first little money, it's gonna not even look, let me tell you the truth. What they did not tell you is that, and what they didn't tell me, is business money is easier to get than personal money. If your personal credit score is messed up, it's gonna be hard as hell for you to get any dough. If your personal credit score is good, like you can get that little $5,000, $1,000, $1,500 card. But as we know, that ain't no money. You can't even bury nobody on that. With business, I'm telling you, as simple and as honest as possible. With business, they throwing around 50 G's is nothing because they know it takes money to make money. So get your credit right. Talking about a 700. If we can get to 700, 680, you can go to 3 different banks and snatch out 50, 150 racks. Then take that money and start your business the way that you're supposed to. Use your ideas to take the most best advantage of that money and build a business that's going to make that back. Now, you already got the plan. Funding is the biggest problem. So we got to get our money right. So long story short, I go to this class with Darius Benders and Dion Coopwood. And they told me the best way to start from zero. I asked him, I said, yo, what if he was a homeless man with butt naked and some tube socks? And you're just trying to make it. And they said, oh, best thing is go hustle. Get you $5, $10 here. Save up. Once you got $100, then take that $100, go get you a personal bank account. Then go get Ava. It's a credit company that allows you to pay for your subscriptions, but they'll blow it up and give you up to a $2,500 credit limit. So that's like basically they're giving you a $2,500 credit card on your record. So if you don't got nothing but $500 cards, that's saying, boom, you ready for the big ones. You handling the $2,500 card already. Somebody already approved you for a $2,500 card. You know what I'm saying? So it's easier to get that $2,500 card. Now, also, if you got the $500 card and you get approved for the $2,500 card, and let's just say life is life, you max that $500 out. That card has zero balance. You can't get nothing up out of it. You go ahead and drop that $9.99 a month on Ava. They'll give you up to $2,500 a month reporting. So now, instead of them reporting your $500 at maxed out, your whole total credit limit is $3,000 because you got the $2,500 plus this $500. So if it's $3,000 and you done spent $500 of it, is that less than 30%? Well, I'm just saying. Now you saved. You hear me? Because you're supposed to use 30% utilization max on any credit card you get. So if you got a $500 card, you only supposed to be using 150 of it. And truth be told, the best way to use a credit card is every day. We don't need to be using nothing but credit cards because they got points and they got utilization. But what you do is you use that credit card and 48 hours later, you pay the whole thing off. Use it again. They want to see them swipes on the credit card. If you're using a debit card, you're losing out on credit and you're losing out on points, all that stuff. And they're just looking at you like they don't know nothing about your credit history. You ain't been using credit. So anyway, butt naked and some tube socks. You get a bank account. You get Ava for $9.99 a month. And you get another one called Credit Strong. Now, Credit Strong will drop you up to 10 bands. Now, these are called primary. This is a personal primary. There's business primaries too. But this is a personal primary. This personal primary will build up your personal credit because in order to get the big money, you have to personally guarantee or PG that loan or that credit by you having good credit. So, got to get your credit good. So, I started off today and I went and got Ava. Ava asked me one simple thing, hey, link your bank account. It approved me for $980, but it only let me use 30. It says, please put your subscriptions underneath that $30. So I said, I got Amazon, music, video, and Prime, and then Disney Plus. I got kids, so Disney Plus. So I put both of them, that's $27, up underneath there. And every month, they're going to report that I got $980 credit card, and I'm utilizing it right. It's paid off perfect. And they're going to prove that I'm on time with my subscriptions. On-time payment is an on-time payment. Tomorrow, I'm going to get Credit Strong, and I'm going to put that on there too. Now, Credit Strong is the same thing as Ava, but it is $9.99 a month, if I'm not mistaken, for the $2,500 or $30 a month for the 10 bands. Go big or go home. You hear me? I'm trying to go big. I'm trying to get this money. So $30, I'm going to have to drop on that per month. Now you start thinking, $30 a month, man. Come on now. We spend $30 on stupid shit. $30 a month to clean that, repair that credit. And it's going to take 60 to 90 days. There it said, get Ava, get Credit Strong, and a bank account, and keep hustling that little money that you're getting. And 60 to 90 days, you'll be able to cash out on a $5,000 credit card. After that, then you take that money and you go invest in a mentor and he teach you all the proper ways to get there the fastest. You know what I'm saying? But the game is to be sold, not told. And I'm breaking the code because I'm telling you all this shit for free. I've been paying for this shit. I'm telling to y'all for free because we all got to come up. That's where we all going to come up. That's the name of this website, the name of the podcast. So I took that first step today. I'm practicing, and eventually I'll be able to give you my whole personal playbook on how I made it. You know what I'm saying? But right now, we still in the lab. We still working. And I'm saying, so you go out there and get your Avas, get your Credit Strong, and get your bank account. Pay off them credit cards down to 30% utilization. Matter of fact, pay them all the way off and start using them credit cards instead of debit cards. And I'm going to get back to you as soon as I'm ready for the next update. We all going to come up. Leave a comment, subscribe, like it, all that. Let's come up together, you heard me? Peace.